First things first, let's gather our supplies. You'll need your quilting fabrics, batting, a cutting mat, rotary cutter, quilting ruler, and of course, your trusty sewing machine equipped with a quilting foot. To begin quilting, start by piecing together your fabric squares into blocks according to your desired quilt pattern. Use a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press your seams open or to the side for a neat finish. Next, create a quilt sandwich by layering your quilt top, batting, and backing fabric. Smooth out any wrinkles and baste the layers together using safety pins or spray adhesive to prevent shifting during quilting. Now, it's time to quilt. Attach a quilting foot to your sewing machine and select a quilting design or stitch pattern. Begin stitching along the lines of your quilt blocks, guiding the fabric smoothly under the needle. For more intricate designs and creative freedom, try free motion quilting. Lower the feed dogs on your sewing machine and use a darning or free motion quilting foot to move the fabric freely under the needle, creating loops, swirls, or other decorative motifs. Once you've finished quilting, trim any excess batting and backing fabric, and square up your quilt. Finally, bind the edges of your quilt using double fold binding, and voila, you've completed your quilt using a sewing machine. In conclusion, quilting with a sewing machine offers a fast and efficient way to create beautiful quilts with precision and ease. With practice and experimentation, you'll soon be quilting up a storm and creating heirloom-quality quilts to cherish for years to come. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.